Let's start. See, in previous class we have discussed few numericals on, I believe one or two numericals we have done on basis on concentration units, right? Percent W by W, percent W by V, percent V by V, and finally strength, that is grams per liter. So these four concentration units were there. We'll discuss few more questions and then I'll move to next topic. So question is, 75 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 1 liter of water. Sign percent W by W, percent W by V, and strength of solution. Do it. Easy question है. $75 grams of water, NaCl is called in 1 liter of water. Find percent W by W, percent W by V, and strength of solution. What will be weight of 1 liter of water? Calculation आसान करना है. 125 grams. Calculation easy हो जाएगा. Though it's not needed. So let's keep it 75. Say 1 liter of water will weigh how much? Hello.
Sir, 1000 milliliter.
Mass, brother. Mass, I'm asking. Mass of 1 liter of water is 1000 milliliters, correct? But I want it in terms of mass. 1 liter of water weighs how much? No, density of water. 1000 gram. So mass of solute. Solute का mass कितना है? 75 gram. Mass of solvent is 1000 gram. So mass of solution. What is mass of solution? 1075 grams. Say mass of solute. That is salt here is solute. The mass of solute is 75 grams. Right? And what is mass of solution? Sorry, solvent. 1 liter of water you have taken to dissolve, in which you have dissolved this, right? So 1 liter of water means what? 1000 gram of water. So 1000 gram plus 75 gram. That is 1075 gram of solution. Now, what is percent W by W? Percent W by W is mass of solute per 100 gram of solution. So cancel by 25, 3, 25, 43. So 300 by 43, that is 7, approximately 7. 280 and 21, 301. Check. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, percent W by V. What is percent W by V? Percent W by V. Percent W by V means amount of solute in grams present per 100 milliliter of solution. Okay, first part समझ में आया? This part, is this clear? Laksh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then second part is percent W by V. Percent W by V means what? Mass of solute present per 100 milliliter of solution. So what is the volume of solution in this case? Solution का volume कितना होगा? Say. What is volume of solution? इतना डर रहे हो तुम लोग क्या हो रहा है? It's a simple question. How much solvent was taken? Hello. What is the volume of solvent? सॉल्वेंट कितना लिया दिख रहा है यहाँ पे से ना सचेत
So 100 gram.
No, we have taken 1 liter of water. So 1 liter of solvent, na? Okay. See, 75 gram salt is dissolved in 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water is volume is 1 liter. Na? So volume of solvent is how much? 1 liter. 1 liter is how many milliliter? Laksh, you just said that 1 liter is how many milliliter?
1000 milliliters.
1000. So volume of solvent is 1000. What is volume of solution? Is it given? Volume of solution, is it given? Hello. Is volume of solution given in the question? No, it's not given. But actually 75 gram salt, if you add 75 gram of salt in 1 liter of water, this is 1 liter of water, suppose, in a container. If you add 75 gram of water, there will be hardly any change in the volume of the solution. So we can treat, in this case, we can treat volume of solution to be nearly same as volume of solvent. So answer would be 75 by 1000 into 100. So answer is 7.5. So percent W by V of solution is 7.5. This says 7.5 gram of salt is present in 100 ml of solution, milliliter of solution. Is it clear? अभी तो बोलो आया नहीं आया.
Yes, sir, got. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now third one, strength of solution. What is strength of solution? What is strength of solution? Remember, hello, strength of solution. Anyone? Strength of solution means grams per liter. grams of solute per liter of solution. Say, not easy thing. We have to answer how many grams of solute are taken, are dissolved in 1 liter of solution. In fact, you don't have to do anything. Just the answer which you have to say. How much salt is dissolved in 1 liter of solution? Vishishta. Am I audible? Can you people hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Try at least attempt karo na. How many grams of solute are dissolved in 1 liter of solution in this case?
75 grams.
So that's your answer. So strength is 75 gram per liter. That's it. 75 gram per liter. That's your answer. There's a slight, I mean, one thing is wrong here, that solution and solvent are treated as volume of solution is same. We are treating that volume of solution in this case is same as volume of solvent, which is not 100% correct. But here approximately it can said that volume of solution is same as volume of solvent. Approximately, not exactly, but approximately. Right? Otherwise, if some information was given with the help of which I could estimate volume of solution, so I would use the volume of actual solution instead of volume of solvent. Right? Clear now? Now, question on dilution. See, if you add additional solvent in a solution, we say we are diluting it. So suppose there's a question on dilution. What amount of water should be added to 150 milliliter, 150 ml of solution, 25% W by W to decrease its 150 gram, 150 gram, decrease it to 10% W by W. So do it. What amount of water should be added to 150 gram of solution, which is 25% W by W, to decrease it to 10% W by W? There's a solution. 150 gram solution is this, right? It has concentration of it is 25% weight by weight. Some water should be added to it. How much I don't know. So that it changes to concentration decreases to 10% W by W. This is what we say is dilution. We are diluting it to make it 10% W by W. What amount of water should be added to this? से आ रहा किसी को? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड करो, कोई नहीं भी आता तो भी बोलो, मैं हिंट देके करवाऊँ।
नो सर, नहीं आ रहा।
हाँ, तो एज्यूम कर लो, पहले आप चेक करो इसमें कितना सोल्यूट होगा। 150 ग्राम सोल्यूशन है, 25 ग्राम 25% W/W सोल्यूशन। आप एस्टिमेट करो इसमें सोल्यूट कितना और इसमें सॉल्वेंट कितना, पहले वो कोशिश करो। वो भी नहीं आएगा तो भी मेरे को बताना। पूरे चैप्टर में यही तो 3-4 न्यूमेरिकल हैं जो इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं। $150 ग्राम solution concentration is 25% W/W. You have to estimate weight of solute and weight of solvent in it. वो भी नहीं आ रहा?
Sir, around 32.
Around 32. Actually 37.5 it is. How? 25% W/W means what? इसका मतलब क्या होता है पहले आप सोचो। 25% W/W implies 25 gram of solute is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. This is what do I mean when I say 25% W/W. मतलब टोटल वेट का 25% आपका सोल्यूट है। इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 150 gram solution will contain how much of solute? Therefore, amount of solute in 150 gram of solution is how much? 100 gram contains 25 gram. So 150 gram will contain how much? 150 into 25 by 100. So 150 into 25 by 100. That's the answer, 37.5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 37.5 gram of salt is present in 150 gram of solution. अच्छी बात है. Now you have to add some water. How much? I don't know. Maybe X grams of water is added, and the solution becomes dilute. Final concentration is 10% W/W. So let us assume, say, X gram of water is added. Water is added. Am I adding solute? Salt भी ऐड कर रहा हूँ क्या मैं उसमें? Sorry, solute ऐड कर रहा हूँ. Am I adding solute to it? Hello, hello, hello. My dear, I'm adding water. Water is solvent in this case. Did I say I am adding solute also?
No, sir.
No. So amount of solute remains same. So in final solution, in final concentration, amount of solute is how much? Amount of solute will be how much? Say it's
It
written
will
on board.
remain same.
It will remain.
That is 37.5 gram. Amount of solvent. How much solvent is there? Say solvent, how much is there? How much solvent was there from before, and how much have I added? Okay, ignore. amount of solution at least, so you can say directly. Amount of solution. Earlier, how much mass, what was the mass of solution, and now how much I have added, so how much will be the mass of the solution? What was mass of the solution?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, say.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sir. Sir, amount of solution is 100 grams.
No, 150 gram. No, it's the
Oh,
unit.
sorry, 150
What
grams.
amount?
Yes.
What is
Oh,
150
sorry.
gram?
Yes.
150 gram was the previous one. And how much water is added in it?
Sir, I just joined.
I know. I admitted you.
Yeah.
So, see, how much water is added now? X gram.
Yes, sir.
Say X gram water was added. So, total volume of the total mass of the solution is 150 was there from before, and additionally X gram. So, total amount of solution is 150 plus X now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if I ask you to find percent W by W of this solution, how will you calculate? If I ask you to calculate percent W by W of this solution, how will you calculate? Say, is it that difficult? Percent W by
Mass
W?
of
Huh.
solute
Mass of
divided by mass of
solute divided
solution
mass of solvent into 100.
into 100.
The
Yes.
amount of solute present per 100 gram of solution.
Yes.
So, mass of solute is 37.5 gram upon mass of solution is 150 plus X
150.
into 100. This is percent W by W, but as per them, new concentration is 10% W by W. So this is 375 equals to 150 plus X. X is 225 gram, that's it. So 225 gram water should be added to 150 gram 25% W by W solution to reduce its concentration to 10% W by W. That's it. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is concept of dilution now. One more question. Based on mixing of solutions, of two solutions. See, suppose there are two solutions.